my creative carnivore kitchen. I am still living a nomad life. Here is my other channel, Aline's Adventures, and for now, this is my carnivore kitchen in the Philippines. So I have these beautiful calamari, whole calamari. I love calamari, and I got big ones on purpose. Oh, look at this, how beautiful. So we have to clean those first. So first, I wanna take this and pull. Maybe I'm lucky. No, I'm not. Oh, yes, I am. Look, everything got pulled out here. So, this part, and then here you have the tentacles. Here's the eye. So you wanna cut right after the eye. You wanna cut the tentacles off. And then in here you have the beak. You just kind of squeeze it out, you see? So, this gets thrown out. And here, look, that is the ink sac. Here, you have this here, you just pull on it. And this plastic kind of comes out. So that also goes in the trash. And then here, this you just want to wash out. So now you just want to clean them, and also in here. And what I do, I go in with my finger, and well, those are really big ones, so I even like squeeze. See, kind of try to get down there. And here, you see, for example, this. Try to get loose whatever is stuck on its side. Also, when it's so big, you're trying kind of to do this. See, I can kind of get there. Also, the tentacles, I just wash off. Okay, this is the oven I have available here. So I'm gonna set this up to bake. The time, I'm gonna leave it at 30 minutes right now. That's way too long, don't worry. And the hottest. So that one goes to 230 Celsius. So then I wanna preheat it. Well, preheat your oven to the highest heat. So I already put those here nicely in this gratin form, in this casserole dish. I have some left over, so those I'm not gonna use. That one is way too big, so I'm glad I found some that fit nicely. So, and people, they skin those. And I think that's so sad because look how beautiful. You probably know calamari as being totally white. That's because they take the skin off. I don't do that. And then they also cut away the flaps here. I don't do that either because they're delicious. Well, they taste the same like this. So I don't know why I should do that. So anyways, now we're gonna fill it. I'm gonna fill it. Here I have ground meat. It's mixed ground beef, 70%, 85%, and a little bit of ground pork. So just any ground beef you want, any ground meat you want. It's salted, it's cooked, as you can see. So I'm just gonna shove that in here. I have to make sure I get it all the way down. So those are all filled. Put those away for now. And now here, the tentacles. I'm only gonna use the tentacles of the calamari I'm using. So I took those out because I'm not using those calamari, also those bodies of the calamari. So these tentacles here, I just wanna chop finely. Well, you can do it like coarse or fine. I think I'm gonna chop it quite finely. So here I'm gonna put in some eggs. Those eggs are pretty small, don't know yet how many. Let's see. Here I have a bit of beef broth, and it's not hot anymore. It's maybe, it's barely warm because you don't want the egg to start cooking already. So I don't know, I just, let's see, a little bit. Probably gonna add more eggs actually. The recipe is down in the description, so for now I'm just kind of figuring it out. So this is 30 grams. So, and I also want to add here the chopped up calamari. I was actually thinking I could have blended everything together, but I don't have a blender here, so I just chopped it up finally. So depending on how salty your broth is, how much salt do you like, I want to add more salt. So, and this will be my gratin. I'm gonna pour that over it. So I have 8 eggs in here. And you know what? Ha! That looks nice. I like this. I was thinking 8 to 10 eggs. I like that. You could add more if you want, but I like this. Haha. Stuffed calamari gratin, ready for the oven. Oh, there's so many flies. Oof, even on my food, and it doesn't go away. I even have flies in my eggs now, Paul.
Added protein, cook them well.
Fucking A. I think I took them out.
We do outdoor cooking in Thailand.
Yeah. Okay, filming. Okay, I'm gonna put that in. It's definitely preheated. So, put it to 10 minutes, still the hottest. So, ooh, look at this. So I left it in for 10 minutes and then I turned it around because it was kind of unevenly cooking. So this was first in the back, so then I turned it around. And then I set the oven to broil and still at 230 Celsius, but I left it in for only 2 minutes. Oh, I don't know about you. Maybe to you it looks like a mess or something, but it looks really good to me. I love such stuff. Okay, let's try it. Ooh, I'm super excited. Haha. Agüita. Should put some of the egg on it. So, now I've got everything. Let's think about it. We are house sitting. It's not for you. You already ate. Belgian Malinois. She's 1 year old, and she's gonna get trained to become a service dog. She is so good. Yeah, she's a real lover. Too bad. Okay, so now I gotta wash my hands first before I keep eating. I want to show you how I actually got the idea to make that stuffed calamari gratin recipe. And that's why I also got 3 little calamari. So I can show you with these or when you have some left over. So 2 days ago, I prepared calamari for me and Paul had some pork for his tacos, and I was also cooking some beef shank steaks with marrow. So what I did, I took some of his pork, just like, actually no, I didn't even mix it up. I took out the, ooh, it's hot. So I took the marrow out. Oh, fuck, it's really hot. So, and so calamari are very lean. And so I put some pork in there. And, well, I put also, I think it's already quite salted. So, and then some of the marrow, some more pork, some more marrow. So that's what I did. And then I just ate it like this. Oh, I forgot. Ha ha ha! No, that's not what I did. I actually cooked the calamari. I just realized I'm eating it raw. I love raw calamari too, so okay. I thought they were cooked, but they're not. So actually, I cooked the calamari and then stuffed it and then I did like this. But also, this super delicious. Well, a bit harder to bite. Okay, so here, that one is cooked. Now I cooked them. I totally forgot. I still have some bone marrow here. I took it out from the other one because I don't have any more bone marrow. Those are here. So, and that combination is just heavenly. The bone marrow, the fat with the super lean calamari and the pork. I'm telling you, when I did that, oh my gosh, it was so amazing. And then that's how I got the idea for the gratin. So this is also good as an appetizer if you want to do a whole bunch of those as a meal. Now it's much easier to eat. I'm telling you, I don't know, this combination, heavenly. Here, look, this is the ink sac. And I think it's already punctured, so I'm trying to, oh, maybe I should take a knife, but I don't have a knife. Oop. Oh, look this. Yeah, look at that. So the other place where you find ink is behind the eyes. So let's see if we can get that too. So I've never done that before, so I'm just gonna puncture the eye. Yeah, do you see this? Yeah, and then there's like, oh. But this is much more liquid. Let's do the other one. So here, puncture the eye. But then there's also some white stuff that comes out. But here, there's more ink in there. But I think I'm losing it. But that one is liquid, much more liquid. Thank you very much for watching. That was another episode of my creative carnivore kitchen. Subscribe here for many, many more recipes. I'm so excited. Finally, I'm in Southeast Asia. I've never been in the Philippines right now. So here, if you want to see more about my nomad life. Servus!